All right, part two. Coming to the middle here. So you're going to take this cover off here, and that is a 5. Take those two off. Set that to the side, which that went there. And there's 2 bolts here, 10 millimeters. 10 millimeters. And this will come out, but to do that, you need to disconnect the hoses from here. There are hoses. And from here, these two. From here, everywhere where it's connected here, you want to disconnect the injectors as well. And just, if you can't remember where it is, you may want to take a picture or something if you're not able to remember where they go. But most of them are pretty simple. I mean, they can only go one place because of how long they are. So don't be discouraged if you don't remember. But take a picture is what I always say. And what I'm doing here, I'm taking this out, this hose, moving that to the side, and we have a better view. And then, so what I'm going to move on to next is here, where I'm going to take this ground cable off. And there's a couple more bolts in the back here. But I'll show you how to get to those here in a second. Again, here's some more bolts for the intake part. But first, you want to take these off and take the back off.